Hey everyone, it's Janome Man, aka Michael Smith, and I'm back at the Janome Sewing and Learning Center for another update of our sorting process for the I Love First People's Sew and Sew program. You know, we've been accepting donations the last several months, and yes, we're finally making some progress. Look at all these boxes, 9 of them in total of batting. So definitely the new sewists who are going to be receiving all of these donations will have lots of materials ready to start sewing right away. Look at that beautiful sunshine, but yes, I'm inside all day sorting. Look at the progress we have made so far. All the boxes are labeled and numbered, and then eventually we have to weigh them as well before they get shipped. So here we've got a whole bunch of home decor fabric and garment fabric. And then so far these unlabeled boxes are the quilting cotton. So we're separating everything so they know right away, depending on what project they're working on, you know, which box to open. We've got already a pile of knit fabric, boxes there starting. Now, I won't make you all sick by moving too fast, but we need to turn around and see. So even though we've been making some progress, oh yes, you see, we still have lots to do. Again, I'm so blown away by the number of donations that we have received. So thank you everyone who's been donating. Again, it looks like a big jumble, but yes, look at all these beautiful quilting cottons and flannels. Someone donated a whole bolt of polar fleece, so isn't that wonderful? So in order to ship it, we have to take all the fabric off the bolts and then put it in the boxes. And again, everything needs to be labeled, numbered, and weighed. So we've got the boxes here ready to set up. So that'll be another day. And a big shout out to Amanda, our fabulous Janome Canada educator, who's been coming in to help. Again, look at all these notions, all the irons, rotary cutters, everything the new sewists need to get started. And look at this. Do you remember some of my previous videos? This office, could you believe it actually really is an office with a desk and furniture and everything, but it was getting completely buried. So now it is totally empty. Look at that. Except, there's one special box on the table, and that I will reveal in our next little video. So thank you everyone again for your donations. That we couldn't have done this without you. So I'll keep updating you of the process of when we're finally done sorting all these donations and when they're getting ready to ship. So thanks so much and happy sewing.